Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You use the Brush Preset Picker to select preset brushes and create your own custom brushes. You can access the Brush Preset Picker by selecting the Brushes Presets drop-down that appears in the Tool Options bar after you have selected the brush tool in the toolbox. Use the Brush Preset Picker pop-up panel to choose any of the preloaded brush sets that come with elements. Select your brush tip by clicking it in the list shown in this panel. You can click the drop-down menu shown above the brush tips to select from the different brush sets that have been loaded. The choice you make from this drop-down changes the brush tips shown in the list below it. Click the Brush Options button in the upper right corner of the panel to view a drop-down menu that contains further options. The commands in this menu let you change the view of the brushes in the panel, load brushes, reset brushes, reverting the brush library back to its default, and even save custom brush sets.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.